Hello everyone, welcome to Pete Maxwell YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to restart or reboot the controller. So go to the navigation page of the controller, click the Enter System and go to the primary display and tap on the menu to go to the navigation section of the controller. And over here you can see the system reboot. And click the system reboot. And there's a pop-up page where the controller requires you to put the password in there to be able to restart the controller. So you can either go with the engineer or factory, and the password is 666666. Okay, the password, and put the password in, and then you can restart a controller. Takes about 15 seconds maybe. During the startup process, you can hear the beep sound. Okay, there you go. The controller has been successfully restarted.